Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of silencing call ringtones in the Messenger app on your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage your notifications and create a calmer workspace or downtime. If you find notifications distracting or just want to enjoy some peace while using Messenger, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you'll want to open your Messenger app. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the official website for the best experience. Once you're in the Messenger app, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and give it a click. This will open a new menu with several options that let you customize your Messenger experience. After clicking your profile photo, you will find the Preferences option. Click on that to access your notification settings. This section allows you to manage various preferences related to sounds and notifications. Now here comes the crucial step. In the Preferences section, you'll see an option to disable notification sounds. Click on this option to mute those incoming call ringtones that can often interrupt your focus. With just a few clicks, you can enjoy a quieter, more productive environment while using Messenger. And that's it. You've successfully silenced your Messenger call ringtones on your PC. It's a small change, but one that can really elevate your Messenger experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.